Hello, these are your directions for day 8. So we're going to go into the online distance learning folder, into unit 9. Alright, so this is day 8, and so what you're going to do for day 8 is you're going to learn a little bit about water. And so water is extremely important to our bodies, just like those other biomolecules were that you learned the previous day. And so we need water to stay hydrated. We need water so that our cells and everything else in our bodies stay happy. And so what I want you to do is go in and watch this video right here, the Properties of Water video link. And while you're watching that video, I want you to try to answer these focus questions. So the questions look like this. Okay, and so this right here, this is the time where you're going to find that answer. Okay, so I have times next to each of them. And so it's talking about different types of properties that water has. So water seems really simple. It's clear, doesn't really taste like much, but it's really interesting how many things water can do and how it can get up into really tall trees and how it can help our bodies. So as you go through the video, I want you to try to answer those questions. Once you are done with the video and you tried your best to answer the questions, I want you to use my paper here, which is my answer key, to fill in whatever you missed. Okay? And then you're going to do the puzzle piece test again. So you are going to match the different properties of water that you learned in the video. And that's day 8.